should be chicken meat, salad, pineapple, barbecue sauce, onions, tomato, bacon, mozzarella cheese.
Kikiriki, and welcome to Kiara's Fried Phoenix Employee Training Video Series. First off, we would like to congratulate and welcome you to the KFP family. We are a lovable, diverse, cultural family that cares about each other and especially our wonderful customers. Today, we'll be showing you how to prepare our famous KFP Phoenix Burger, the number one Phoenix Burger in all of the fast food world, made from our farm-raised chicken that is given all the love in the world, love that our customer can taste and appreciate. The first ingredient to prepare is our delicious breaded chicken breast that is made every morning. First, place a saran wrap in the prepping area and grab some chicken breast. The chicken breast needs to be butterfly by cutting from the thick part to the thin part of the chicken and opening it like a book. Next, place a second piece of saran wrap on the open chicken so the chicken can be ground pounded to a half-inch thickness. To ground pound the chicken, use a meat mallet, frying pan, or your fist, or in our case, wings. After the chicken has been ground pounded, salt and pepper them and set them aside. The next step will be preparing the breading for the chicken. The breading consists of a simple mixture of flour, eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. For about 2 pounds of chicken, use 1 1/2 cup of flour, 3 eggs, 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Then in the flour, add about a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And as an additional step, you can add some chili powder to the mixture for some heat. Then mix the flour until the ingredients are homogeneous. Then add some of the flour to the beaten egg mixture until it becomes an egg slurry. Now use the wet hand, dry hand method to bread the chicken. The wet hand, dry hand method is using one hand for the dry ingredients, the flour and panko breadcrumbs, and the other hand for the wet ingredients, the egg and chicken. First, flour the chicken, then add it to the egg slurry, and finally to the panko breadcrumbs. The chicken we make here at KFP is double breaded, which means we add the chicken back into the egg slurry and back to the panko breadcrumbs. Once all the chicken is breaded, set it aside, and now it's time to prepare our veggies. With our world famous Phoenix Burger, it comes with onions, tomatoes, and lettuce, so our customers can get their daily vitamins from our delicious Phoenix Burger. Like our chicken, our vegetables are organic and planted with love. For the onion, grab a medium-sized one and cut them into ring shapes. Then for the tomato, grab a medium-sized tomato and cut them as the same thickness as the onions. With the lettuce, grab a few leaves and cut them into shreds. Since all our ingredients are prepared for today, now it's time to cook the chicken, as each our order is freshly made for our lovely customers. Pour some oil into a pot and wait until the oil is 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once the oil is nice and hot like our 10 shows, Callie, the great death rap god, cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Then set the chicken aside on some paper towels on a plate to drain the oil. While the chicken is draining on the paper towels, this gives us some time to cook our bacon. The type of bacon we use here at KFP is turkey bacon. First thing to do is grab a cast iron skillet and add some vegetable oil to the skillet. Once the skillet is nice and hot, cook the bacon until it becomes crispy and set it aside to drain the oil from it as well. By now, most of the oil should be drained from the chicken. First, grab a baking sheet and a wired rack and place the chicken on top of it. Next, grab some mozzarella cheese and place it on top of the chicken. Set the oven to broil and place the baking sheet with the chicken in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted. While the chicken is broiling, it's time to grill the onions. Cook them until they become a bit charred and fragrant. The final ingredient that needs prepared is the chicken bun. Here at KRP, we use a brioche bun that's baked every morning. Toast each side until it becomes golden brown. It is time to assemble the #1 Phoenix burger in the world. To assemble the Phoenix burger, grab the bottom bun and place a piece of chicken on top of it. Next, grab some turkey bacon and place it on top of the chicken. Then place some lettuce on top of it with a slice of tomato and onion. For the top bun, add some honey barbecue sauce and a slice of pineapple. Once everything has come together, the #1 Phoenix burger in the world has been created. Place the Phoenix burger into the burger box and serve it to our lovely customers. Also, if a customer is ever being a nuisance to them, give them our empty ash box, since no one messes with our cultural family. Like all food videos, getting a cross-section is a necessary part of the video. As well as all great cooks, they should try out the creation. Let me tell you, the Phoenix burger is incredible. It is very delicious and everything pairs nicely together. Our Tendro is great and she makes the best decisions when it comes to KRP. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on this video. And in German, we say Auf Wiedersehen.